In this tutorial, we'll reveal a 3D model by clipping a point cloud. When a model is created from a point cloud, visualizing both at the same time can often be challenging due to overlapping elements. By using two clip planes instead of one, we'll create an unobstructed view on either side. After loading your point cloud and model, open the cross-section tool and select plane. For this example, we'll use a horizontal orientation. In the View window, set the plane's level and then click Create. In the object list of the plane, toggle off the Mesh category. Now, duplicate the plane by right-clicking and selecting Clone. For the clone, flip the direction. Toggle off the point cloud category, then enable the Mesh category instead. Create a new group by right-clicking and choosing New Group. Drag both planes into this new group. Now use the Transformation tool to animate the group. Add keyframes to create movement within the animation. Finally, create a camera path to enhance the scene. Review the animation. Make any necessary adjustments, and export the final video. Thanks for watching.